And the lighting is like so nice right here. It's gonna capture that lighting real quick. So the lighting is just about perfect. And actually this one, our goal for this next one is actually gonna be that one over there, Grand Lisboa Palace. So that one. And just to give you a little context, there's MGM Casino, there's Parisian Casino, there's City of Dreams over there, there's Wind Palace over there, and Grand Lisboa is our next one. And I'm with
me
and him. That's right, so it's me, him, and another me. And we're gonna go over there. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Before we go over, we saw this. I didn't notice those before. My daughter did notice those before. Got little lanterns, little lotus leaves.
I thought you already noticed.
First time that I've noticed those. Amazing. And the boy is telling us this way. Which way?
Oh.
This way? We're not gonna go that way. We're gonna go that way.
And basically, maybe this is a recreation video of before, and this is now after.
That's right. So we're gonna head over to that one. This is called the Grand Lisboa Palace. And we're gonna go check it all out together. Oh yeah. And there's like, actually it's like a really large one too. So there's like, feels like there's multiple entrances. It's like the octagon shape. So that's kind of interesting too. So we're on one shape. There's like 8. So it's really confusing where the entrance is. And over there's Parisian. That's East Asia Games down that way. And then down there is kind of the waterfront area, which is not quite developed yet. And it looks like we have to go around like that. So we're gonna do that. We're inside the casino. We were just down there. I think some people are kind of curious about masks, and I think she was going to tell us that we should be wearing our mask because we're not wearing any mask. But actually other people are coming in and not wearing masks either. And actually most of Macau already got COVID as well. So I don't think we really have to worry, except for you and me. But the boy got COVID.
Yeah, for just a day.
You want to narrate for this one?
I'm just gonna hold the camera.
Do you want to say anything?
No.
Nothing?
I don't know what to say.
Oh, okay. Well, that's the wedding one.
Oh yeah.
And it's all written in Chinese, but it looks like it's something with Western weddings because it has some stuff like romanticism, forest with love. So I think that they're, you know, showing off the West and the way that the style is for marriage. Is what my interpretation is of it. Let's check it all out.
Yeah.
Maybe we should turn off the camera and we find something interesting and we'll film that.
Sure.
Tyler.
Yeah.
I'm not saying it because he's ruining the shot. It's because it says, please do not sit here. So I was trying to tell him, please. Actually, I was going to introduce this as a piece of art that's here.
Yeah.
And we got someone who's going to jump up in front of the camera.
Yeah.
Ooh. Now he's sitting over there. At least you're not sitting there. You ready, buddy? All right, so we're inside of the, which one's this one? Grand Palace, right?
Yeah.
And I think my feeling about this one, whenever we come here, this is my feeling, you might feel different, but I always feel like there's a lot of empty space everywhere.
Yes.
And so when I film, it's like, I feel like it's like, I guess it's good, you can capture this image of what it's like in the big, tall, big, wide spaces. But I feel like there's so much empty space, like this right here, there's nothing here. But I think in the future, there will be, because there's like number 111, 112, 109.
So maybe in the future, then maybe with many things come, then we might come here again.
Yeah, and maybe it'll be a lot more interesting when it fills up quite a bit.
I just like the. Ooh.
You like that one?
Wow.
Because she likes it a lot. That's kind of cool. It's like an Instagram shot.
Still on Instagram or anything? Or YouTube, like right now?
This boy's looking for somewhere to sit. He's gonna join you. Watch out. Whoa! Alright, I guess we're gonna hang out here for a little bit and then we're gonna check out some more stuff. My kids just pointed at that.
Do you remember this? This just reminds me of my childhood, you know? Where I loved to go to Kids Cavern.
Yeah, because there's some, I think Kids Cavern is like in one of the other casinos. So that one was, as soon as they saw that, they're like, oh yeah. I wonder if it... There's a silver shop. Another Western wedding thing. Oh, see, this one has like Western weddings, kind of a mixture. So they're doing like, I think what they're probably the same as downstairs is what they're doing is promoting the Western style image that they can come to Macau. They're doing Western wedding style. This is actually kind of interesting. This casino also has like a lot of artwork, I noticed. So I think they put a lot of money into artwork, the wedding things, and it's a lot of empty space. And actually, they've been already open for about a year, but surprisingly, they haven't really. Actually, they're supposed to open 3 years ago, to be honest. So like right when COVID hit. Oh, this is all stuff for YouTube. CJI is a YouTuber. That's Osmo's YouTube. Those are drones.
Oh, here it is.
That's the one that we're going to show with Tyler's. And actually, I want to show this real quick because this is like a little YouTuber's haven in here. Got phones in here. But I think the main one we're going to do, I don't think I can bring my camera in, but we're going to go with this one because this one is for autism kids and this boy is an autistic boy. And this one, Tyler, is called Made in Macau. He was actually made in Japan though, because that's when he was born in Japan. So he was made in Japan, but raised in Macau. He's been here almost his whole life. But all this stuff here is all for autistic kids. Oh, sorry, it's not for autistic kids, but there's some artwork that's made by an autistic. So I don't know if I can bring my camera or not, but we're gonna walk all the way down and just kind of show you some of the artwork down here. And it's all this right here. So this one is, it's a Macau autistic boy. And he did all this artwork here.
These are made from Autistic. You're autistic.
So yeah, he drew all this. Let's see if they talk about him at all. Hood Cunha. Hood dos Invernarios. So these are like some, I always film here quite a bit. Macau Tower as well. And this one is, yeah, the Cunha guy is in Taipa. Yeah.
But very much.
There's another Cunha one. And then so this boy likes drawing a lot too, but he's not, it's he's younger of course, so.
Not really much skill, but still good.
Yeah, he likes to draw quite a bit.
Before he used to draw those like simple drawings.
Yeah.
But now he's drawing more.
And we got some more artwork over there. So there's the autistic, I think now he's an adult, but he drew a lot of the artwork that's over there as well. And that society is kind of focused on autism. What do you think, Tyler? You like the artwork?
Well, he said it works, so I like it.
So maybe we'll turn off the camera here and we're gonna check it out and show him around a little bit. Here, give me 5. Yeah, come on. We're gonna go that way. So we're gonna explore some more. He was pretty adamant to get out of that one for whatever reason. And I think he wants to go upstairs, but of course we cannot. That's for staff only, it says. So we definitely cannot. But actually it's pretty typical anyways with him that he wants to always go, go, go. But actually we were already at a cool spot. We had all this beautiful artwork. And now it's like an autistic, I think he's like maybe 20 years old now, maybe even older. But yeah.
I'm just learning how to draw.
Yeah, the drawing is.
I know how to do digital art, but like on paper.
Yeah.
Art, and I thought it was so good.
Yeah. Yeah, I think both you and Tyler, we're not gonna go that way.
Oh yeah, is it
Yeah, we don't know. Those are for people that
Those are hotel.
yeah, those are hotel guests. They're not for wandering around. That's why he's trying to go somewhere. Because
Let's go to Kids Cavern, and I don't know what that is, but I guess we're gonna go there.
that's why now we know why. Because he doesn't communicate, so we don't really know what he's trying to do sometimes. But
He can point. Maybe.
yeah, yeah, he can point.
At least he can point. At
That's
least he knows where to go.
yeah. Because otherwise we have no idea, right? So yeah, that's one of the challenges with an autistic kid is they get upset emotionally sometimes, but usually he's pretty happy. So he's just gonna lead us kind of random into nothingness, but we'll follow it anyways because we're not really going anywhere anyways. And we'll turn on the camera when we get a chance again in a minute.
You'll never know. He might bring us to a cool place, maybe.
Oh yeah. So we're kind of in somewhere different. There's a gaming one. They're not going to let me film over there, so I can't even go near it. But we're actually in kind of in this whole lobby area, and there's information. I've never seen anybody there. And we're just going to pass on through and go that way. I'll turn it off before the gaming one gets. Okay, so now we're walking down the beauty aisle. All your beauty needs are here. And the boy is what he's trying to lead us to is Kids Cavern, so I guess that's going to be our goal. So I just talked to a lady and she said go this way. So we're gonna go that way. So now we're coming up into this alley. So there's like Chloe Place, Alexander McQueen. So it's like these look like they're all like really expensive brands that they're promoting, probably mall stuff. Somebody creates these brands and sells them at the malls on high ends and makes a lot of money. The right connections, and you can do anything. Huh. This one, it's just something about pilots. It's closed, but it just says, so it's something about pilots and then all the different decades, and then I guess you can sit in this and like experience being in a plane, I guess. Anyways, I think we're gonna go up here. Time to go, right? My daughter said time to go. The new Johan, I probably can't film here, but I'm gonna see if I can get away with it a little bit. And we're looking for Kids Cavern, which I think is gonna be over there. Let's give you a little taste of the new Johan. There it is, right over there. And I'm sure I can't use the camera at all. Or yeah, maybe I can, because this is the like information booth area. But I'll turn it off because I think I cannot. Looks like we found Kids Cavern, so we're way in the deep depth of it, and there's like toys as far as you can see.
I found Evie.
Candy.
I found Evie. I love Evie.
All kinds of stuff in here.
I wonder what's in.
Tyler, this your favorite thing right here? You like this, Tyler? Making him smile and laugh, right? He's like so excited he can barely contain himself.
Me after watching Pokemon.
She was into Pokemon, and since he was born, he's completely obsessed with trains. So he was born in Japan, so this is pretty common in Japan in the toy stores. So he was kind of obsessed at it since birth. So yeah, he's lived in Japan when we were little. He was there until he was 4 or 5 years old, and then he came over here to Macau. Anyways, see what else is around here. So yeah, this is Kids Cavern right in here. So this is also new Johan, and there's a ton of cool stuff everywhere, including this stuff over here too. So that looks kind of interesting, that bakery. Then we can also look down a little bit into the parts of the casino, all that down below. And there's even like a Starbucks over there as well. So I didn't realize all that stuff was here. And then this new Johan it's the first department store in Macau was new Johan, was Johan department store. So this is the same name, and Kids Cavern is pretty popular too in Macau. So I didn't realize this was in this casino, but that's kind of a big draw, as I can see. Look at all the people in here. Oh, okay. So like some food's over there too. Okay. So actually, we got a limousine right here, and basically this is the. Oh, that's where we're going, right over there. but this is actually the entrance part. So we got City of Dreams on that way, we have MGM, Studio City, and we're gonna walk towards these lighting a little bit. And let's go check it all out. And actually that's also gonna be the end of our video. So we're gonna come over here and make sure the kids stay with me here. You're not gonna jump in a taxi, are you? You're not gonna jump in a taxi, are you? Okay, good. Whew. All right, so it looks like we're gonna conclude. And basically what we're gonna do is walk directly that way towards the Lisboa. And that's gonna be the conclusion of our thing. So let's turn the camera around and say adios.
Adios. Adios. Adios, amigos.
Okay, so that's a proper conclusion to the Grand Lisboa Palace, and that's the place that we're just inside. And now we're over on the other side, which is the Macau Palace. And this also has like this little thing like the James Bond replica. That's the East Asia Games down that way. They got the skyline over this way. And let's do a quick little 360 here, where we also show you the Wynn Palace, Sea of Dreams, MGM Casino, and Parisian Sheraton Hotel. And Morpheus building right there. So okay.
That's so fun.
A lot of fun in that place, right? Kids Cavern was the winner.
Yeah,
All
I
right.
love Kids Cavern. The best.
Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.